Hello again. This is the CodeReady version of factory design pattern. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what have we done. Now, the idea of the factory design pattern is to manage the complex implementation logic in one factory class, and so that the outside world you can just call one factory to build an object for you. Now, in our factory example, we have created a vehicle factory to be able to create a car and a bike. We have two classes for cars with doors count property and a bike with front tire and rear tire options. Now, they are totally different kinds of objects, but they are both instances of vehicle, implementations of vehicle interface. So I can create a vehicle factory to return me the vehicle, the relevant vehicle, and it could be a car or a bike. With method overloading and taking advantage of the generics in Java programming language, whenever I call the vehicle method in the vehicle factory class, it will require me the relevant information. Let's take a look at the main method. You can call the vehicle factory to build your vehicle. If you provide the class type of car, it will require the doors count. If you provide the bike class, it will require the front and rear tire options. And these methods will implement the business logic, the necessary features, necessary algorithms for implementation of these, instantiation of these car and bike classes, and will return you the produced vehicle to you, so that you can call relevant methods on both objects. Now, let's see how we implemented this. I'll see you in the next video.